In this video, we will learn how to install Antigravity on Mac. For that, go to the web browser. On Google, type Google Antigravity and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, antigravity.google. Click on it. After clicking, the official website is visible. It automatically detected that we are on Mac. Click on it. So here different versions of Antigravity are visible. We want for Mac, so I'll go here. The anti-gravity version for Apple Silicon processor or for Intel processor. I'm having an Intel processor, so I'll click here. The download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded the DMG package for Mac. Double click. Minimize. Now drag anti-gravity to applications. Okay, we have dragged it. Now it is getting copied to applications. Let's wait. We have copied anti-gravity to applications. Here it is. Double click. Click open. Click next. Choose setup flow. Do you want to start from the beginning or import from VS Code? I'll click start fresh. Now select the theme. I'll go for dark and click next. Here you need to select how do you want to use the anti-gravity agent. I'll keep the default, that is agent assisted development. Click next. Configure your editor. Keep it as it is. It will install the extensions required for language. It will also install the command line tool. Click next. Now let us sign in with Google. Click on it. Enter the email ID. After that, click next. Now enter the password. After that, click next so that you can log into Antigravity. After login, it will request you to click sign in. Click on it. Now here you can see Antigravity is authenticated. Click allow. Now it is setting up your account. These are the terms of use. Keep it as it is. That is yes, I agree. Click next. Click OK. It is adding command to path and asking for password. Add the admin password and click OK. Now it is activating extensions. From here you can open folder, you can open agent manager from here. Here are different models available. Gemini 3 is available now. Here it is. Here you can type your prompt and click planning also, so that you can use the conversation mode. For free AI tutorials, do refer to the link in the description of the video. With that, for free study material, do refer to our website studiopedia.com. Thank you for watching.